Hi guys, I hope you all are doing great. And it's been a long time that we have met. Lately, it's been really difficult for me to come live and make videos, and seems like everything was against me for some days, for weeks, for months. After my brother, my YouTube channel was taken down. One of my Telegram channels was taken down. My Instagram pages were taken down. People will after me for no reason. It is very true that good works are not easily liked by many. So today, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna keep it simple for you. I'm gonna explain how to trade in a ranging market, because that's something that I would say it's one of the easiest markets to trade in for beginners. So I'll simply tell you how to trade in a ranging market. First of all, know that what is a ranging market? Anything that is between two lines is a range. Okay? Anything. So market can go like that. Okay? Up and down, up and down. Sort of a small consolidation. There are big ranges, small ranges. It could be like that. Could be that like that. So when the price is just hitting the resistance and the support, whether it's big or small, that's called a range. Okay? When it's too tight, like up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, we call it consolidation. Okay? Consolidation. Consolidation, whenever it happens, makes it really easy for you guys to trade. Really easy, because after a green candle, there would be a red candle, then a green candle. And if there, for example, if there are like two small greens, there would be a red candle. The third one would be red. Okay? So let's go to the chart. We'll try to find the range. Wherever there is a range, we'll check. Like, check this out. Here. It's an amazing range, right? So the price is stuck between these two zones, and it's going up, down, up, down. So what you got to do, you got to trade where? So initially you will not know whether it's a range. You will have an idea about the range when you are somewhere here, okay? Then you can trade here, 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 and even if the candle becomes green here and you lose it on this candle, for example, you can try another time. So that's how you use the range, because after one or two candles, there has to be, whenever the price hits the support or the resistance, it has to reverse. And of course, when it was broken, when the range was broken, the price retraced and then it went up, right? That's how we use the range. Whenever it's broken and traced, we trade in the direction of the trend. So the trend is trying to go towards the upside. So we will use this area of value, which was a support or resistance, but then became support after it was broken. It worked as a demand zone, and then the price went up. Okay. You move to any asset and you will find such zones everywhere. Okay. Check this out. Check this out here. Uh-oh, wait a second. So this was a range between these two trend lines, and then the price was going up and down and up and down. Okay, though it doesn't look nice because you know, I have actually turned on the magnet mode. That stupid mode. I'll still try to draw it. If the magnet mode was not there, I could have made it easier. I'll turn it off the next time. Okay, check this out. Check this range. Up, down, and then up, then down, then up, then down. So somewhere here you would know that the price has got stuck in the range. So we'll wait for the price to hit the zone, the top side, the resistance, and then we'll trade for the downside. When the price hit here, okay, we'll trade for the upside, and we can use the rejections as well. You see the wicks, so wick, 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 and you see the rejections are coming. So even if it's a red candle and you trade for the rejection, you can still, you know, win a trade. I'll show you some clean good ranges. So the price was range in here as well. Okay, so this was a range, and then the price got stuck. The price got stuck, down, up, then down, then up again, down, up. So up, down, and then you use these zones and then the trade for the opposite direction. That's what you got to do. So everywhere, wherever you find the ranges, you got to trade like that. And I've tried to make it really simple for you, as simple as it's possible, so that, you know, even beginners can understand. And even the next videos, I'll tell you all these. I mean, the tricks, call them tricks, call them strategies, call them anything you like, but I'll try to make them as easy as possible. And trade, you know, trade well. All the best. Trade according to the money management, and follow the rules. And I'll see you then. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys. Bye bye.